So how do you want to start this off?
I think we just do it like this. First off, really wouldn't be here without all of you and the support and love and encouragement that you've given us over the lifetime of Team Anvil. Thank you for all of your support and encouragement, as well as the support and encouragement of other businesses and business owners that have been there from the beginning with us. One of the questions that I get asked all the time is, how did Team Anvil come to be? And it all goes back to 2020, when I exited the Army after a career of being a warfighter. I ended up moving back to my hometown of Delaware, Ohio. I started going to the range to stay proficient, and eventually I ended up inviting guys that I knew in high school or that just knew that I was back home. Well, what I realized really quickly was that most of the guys around me were going through real life hardships. Well, I had this idea that I would get all these guys together. I would invite some personal defense instructors out, and we would just have a full day of teaching close quarters battle. The problems that these men entered that facility with to train didn't even matter. They were so excited to just be around other guys getting better at a craft or a skill. And then as we ate dinner together, we realized that we had magic. We had successfully gotten a group of guys together to lift the burden off of their shoulders, even just for a day, to see what kind of difference that could make. And so the Silent Legion Project was born, and out of the Silent Legion Project emerged Team Anvil. People ask me, what does Team Anvil really mean, and what is it? Is it the red shirt guys wearing the anvils on their back that says instructor across it? The answer is yes. The bigger answer is, you are the team. It takes all of us, and that's what teamwork is. It's everybody, the collective. Thank you so much for all of the love and support, and we look forward to seeing you out there in the future. To stay up to date with us, to figure out where we're gonna be and what we're gonna be doing, our social media and our webpage links are in the description below, so go ahead and make sure that you check out those and subscribe to them so that you can stay up to date on all of the future training opportunities that we're gonna be able to provide to you and the supporters like you that are out there.